Yeah, don't be put off if he says, "Oh, I need to go and check," because they're told to make sure if they do anything varies from what they do standard, that they come talk to someone in the office. We've had once where blokes go, "Oh, I want it over here," and they meant it in, and then the company goes mad because I followed the directions of what was probably the best way for the driver, but the company had a reason why they wanted it there.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
you'll probably know anyway. He's probably worked out, the guys probably worked out that you guys sort of know what you're doing.
Yeah,
It's all up to you boys where you want it, because I sat in it for the first one and said, well, I don't know where it should go.
Yeah.
So
So
it's
now
all
Yours
up to you
isn't too
guys.
bad because you have a big screen, so.
Yeah, but I mean, I moved Stubbs's. I got his moved up on the desk because they had it in the.
And that was my idea.
in
I
the
went,
console.
well, that looks okay there.
Yeah.
And then
So I got his moved up on the dash so you can access it.
Yeah, if
see
you
it.
want to watch the maps.
Well, you got it,
here
yeah.
instead of
Yeah,
looking
every
down
bloke's
there.
different. Some blokes go, I don't want to even see it, and they want it all the way over here. Whereas some blokes they know it's a tool
Yep.
to do their
Well,
work.
that's
and
what
they-
it's there
and they
for
want
a
it,
tool.
yeah,
I just don't like the camera facing you. That's all. That's the one I don't like. I just reckon it's.
But it's not facing
But we've just,
you. We've
we've
also
just,
put that
too
we've just said it's
far.
not
as
going to,
well.
No,
the
there's
only
two.
time you're going to come on
There's
is
two
You
cameras
mount
that
them on the passenger side. So
The only
it's
time
just
it come on is
that
when
side
you just
view.
sit in that.
You sit-
So,
We'll just see constant pictures of the footy oval down here.
Hockey grounds.
I just don't like them facing. There's no.
But they're not facing
But they're
your,
not-
in
well,
your face,
No,
are
but
they?
it's not that. It's there's
Try
no
just-
privacy at all. We're 24/7. Or like when
Yeah, but it's
the
not
whole
filming
day.
it.
Hang on.
We just sat
They
there.
can access it any time they want.
But you're not
Yeah,
live.
but Paul's not
I
going
know it's not live, but I mean you can still go back and access.
Paul's
to. Well, Angie's not going to say, well,
I
I
never
wonder what
said
Owie did between
Well,
10:15
bloody-
and 10:45 yesterday on his
at
break.
8:45, don't look at it today. Because I was standing there going, oh fuck. Sorry, Sloan. But like you just forget. I mean, and then you got.
But they don't. But that's what
No.
they've. No, you got just got to pretend that they're not there.
I trust Ange. See, other people don't trust.
Well, there's only a couple with full access.
trust
Ange
anyone.
and Troy you
The
trust. There's
issue-
a bloke behind us you might not trust.
And a lot of the issues that drivers have spoken about was just the fact we knew it was coming, but the fact the way it was just done, bang, you're doing it. And Tony didn't explain it real well. He just said it's
No
going to happen.
consultation. No.
There was no.
Didn't
We
even
should have
know.
had a meeting like this first to say this is what we're going to do.
This is why
do
we're
you
going
have
to
any
do it.
prep? Like the
Yeah.
questions I've asked today are pretty much the bulk of the questions that everyone wanted to know.
Yep.
That's all. And just didn't matter if it was going to happen or not. We know it was going to happen, but I think it was just the fact it was told. You know what? It's going to happen whether you like it or not. It's give shit.
Yeah,
You
fair
like
enough.
it or lump it.
Yeah.
So
Get over
if
it.
you don't like it.
If you don't like it, leave.
So, and that was the only problem. It's it was nothing.
It's supposed to be a team, and we're doing the team, and they're not. That's the way it feels like.
That's all it was. We just thought it was rude.
Well, I mean, you guys are the champions of it now as well. So I'm learning, Daz is learning, Paul's learning. Like, all work together to deliver the message. I've worked on doing these
This is good.
pieces for you that you can throw in your truck. We'll leave a few on the table out the back. That one's in big print. I can do whatever you need in big print. Oh, if you need, I can come out in the truck with you guys and work through it together one day. We can go
Don't
out
wear
in the truck
perfume.
together.
Obviously, it's going to be inevitable. It doesn't matter which company you're going to go to in the next 5 years. It's
Oh,
gonna
it
be-
is. It's coming in
It's gonna
everywhere.
happen,
But
so-
but ultimately, you guys are the ones that can control
Yeah,
how
you
many alerts we get. If you're running over whatever and you're running off the road and you're using a mobile phone and half the things that were picked up, with BP and that, why guys created a G-force because they were on the mobile phone. They were told they were not allowed to be on the mobile phone. No, there were things like that. Take that out of it. All right, let's say you aren't doing any of that sort of stuff. You're not going to have a problem.
No, that's
Hopefully you'll find it's more good than bad.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
exactly right. It is. There's more good in this than the things you have to worry about.
the amount
Really.
of phone calls Darren gets about me. It's unbelievable. So now I'll be able to prove it.
Well,
That's
Right.
exactly.
That's exactly right. You've got
He was
about
tailgating me.
you got hundreds and hundreds of thousands of drivers on the road that are just itching to report
Dog
you
in.
for whatever. So don't worry about the camera.
I'm
It's
busy.
the easy one.
I like to keep going.
Alright, last one. Log out, top left-hand corner. So you'll forget this, I know everyone does. When you finish, just hit log out. At the moment, it only asks one question, do you want to log off? it can ask multiple questions. It could be other things. There might be reminder things that you guys might say, oh, it'd just be great if you reminded me to do whatever I had to do. They can be added in. Those questions can be changed and figured as required. So.
We will have a tablet here, Newport, and probably up in Ballarat as well. So if you come out of the truck or you drop your truck at service and bring a ute back, then you can log out it in the office.
Obviously, we'd be
And then
bringing a
that's
tablet
still-
with us anyway because we don't leave any trucks.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Unless
yeah,
you.
we will.
Well, we don't want to
Yeah.
let him in the truck.
But then we'll have them
Where
here
it
for
is.
training as well.
Because I don't think we want to be out for new tablets every week.
Oh, the only other one was the cases,
Oh,
wasn't it? Or any of the clear
Three,
screens. Do you
3:30 and
give those
No,
with
two
the
plastic
sets
screens
or
so
not?
they can
Because they
scratch,
just drop them.
See, people put their
Yeah.
stuff, their keys and stuff like that.
Are they going to be in a bracket? They're going to be sitting in a
yeah,
bracket.
they're in a bracket.
Yeah, and that was all about the location we were talking about
Yeah.
before, about where to.
It's
Because
getting,
I think the
it's
Like a
getting them
charge.
from the
The-
truck back to in there
Yeah.
or wherever like that. It's those sort of things where people will put some of their screens, you just can't even
Yeah, you
see
can't
how
put it
people.
Oh, yeah, so have these got screen protectors on them?
No,
No,
that's
on
all we're
these
talking
stations.
about.
Oh,
yeah.
is it?
So
Right,
do you
yeah.
offer the screen
Oh, we
protectors, or
have
will I
your-
just go and get a stack?
Yeah, you'll have to work out because they're a specific tablet. You might not, but
So you might not be able to get the screen.
yeah, you'll be able to order them, but you're probably the guy in the middle of the shopping centre. You know, it's always in Chinese. kid
Oh,
putting
yeah,
their phone,
yeah,
They, won't,
yeah.
they probably
Flu
won't have
flung
the right
down
one.
and-
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but you can order them. You just got to get the right model. We don't have any customers that use it. These are more rugged screens, and they're designed to scratch less, be more tougher than a standard tablet. So the tablets you got now, these are next step up in regards to IP rating, dust rating, stronger screens, and all that sort of stuff. So I won't put it fully to the test for you.
But it's probably not going to be as bad when they're sitting in the thing most of the time.
That's how
Yeah.
he
Well,
said
mine's really good, but I just go and hop in someone else's truck and you go, oh, how the hell can I see that?
Yeah.
So then
well,
I've got to open it up, I get into the fonts and make the writing a bit
Chris
bigger.
Yeah.
Dempster's
I guess
was-
they won't be on the seat as
They-
much.
Yeah,
because
that's
there's
right.
no
Well, that's
way
mine
to
was
put it
No,
always
out.
it was more the
Yeah.
fact that
And
when they
yours is
carried
always
it from
cradle.
the truck to
Yeah.
here, they'd stick their printer on top.
Yeah.
I just leave my printer in the truck.
So do I.
Everyone takes that, so be it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
But
Yeah, mate.
they were bringing everything back in, and everything was sitting on their tablet, and of course it was scratched and so
Yeah.
forth. So you go to use it. What the?
Yeah, on a possum man's truck and I couldn't even read it.
It's
Could
probably
not
got-
even read
It's
it.
probably got food on it.